Hi everybody, welcome to Camglish.com. I'm Teacher Angel, and join me as we tackle another exciting topic in the book Essential Grammar in Use, 3rd edition by Raymond Murphy. Hi guys! Well, actually tonight or today, we're just going to finish our discussion in Unit 97 of this book. If you remember, we discussed what is a conjunction in our previous video and what does it do, right? Today, we're going to learn how and when do we use the words so, because, but, and other conjunctions that we have to learn. Now, before we discuss the purpose of these words further, let's go back and review what is a conjunction. Don't forget that conjunction is a word that connects other words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. We also call conjunctions connectors. It's because they connect words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. That's the purpose of conjunctions. We know some common conjunctions such as and, so, but, or, yet, or nor. And we call those words coordinating conjunctions. Okay? Because they join individual words like nouns and phrases and independent clauses. That's why they are called coordinating conjunctions. Now, let's learn when do we use the word so. Okay, so we use the word so to explain the result of something or to emphasize the result of something. Let's read some example sentences. It was very hot, so I opened the window. Instead of saying it was very hot, that's why I opened the window, we can just simply say it was very hot, so I opened the window. Next, Joe does a lot of sport, so he's very fit. You're explaining the result of something, right? They don't like traveling, so they haven't been to many places. That's the result of not traveling, right? Now, if we use the word so, if we say the result of something, we then use the word because if we say the reason or the reason for something. Reason. Don't forget that. Let's observe the following sentences. I opened the window because it was very hot. Joe can't come to the party because he's going away. Lisa is hungry because she didn't have breakfast. Again, it emphasizes the reason for something. We usually put the word because in the middle of our every sentence, but it can also be put at the beginning of our sentence. Because is also possible at the beginning, like this one. Because it was very hot, I opened the window. You stated the reason first before the result, right? But you have to put a comma if you don't put the word because in the middle. Never forget that, okay? And our last pointer for today's video, letter E. In these examples, take note of these examples. There is more than one conjunction. It was late and I was tired, so I went to bed. Where are the conjunctions? There you have it. You're right. And so. Next, I always enjoy visiting London, but I wouldn't like to live there because it's too big. That's how useful conjunction is. Okay? Now, we haven't discussed the word but or the words but and or yet. Now, let's focus on those two words, okay? We use but when two individuals or individual thoughts in a sentence contradict each other. Again, we use but when two individual thoughts in a sentence contradict each other. We use but. Example: it's a nice house, but it hasn't got a garden. We use the word but, right? Two thoughts contradicting each other. And we use or to indicate alternatives or options. Okay? Example: do you want water or milk? Two options are water and milk, right? Okay, so that's how important conjunction is. We should all be familiar with all the conjunctions, not just with all the prepositions. Now, thank you for joining our class today. I hope you enjoyed our discussion and conjunctions are clear to you now. Well, I'll see you next time. Be here or be present in our next video so we can all answer the exercises regarding conjunctions on page 205. This page. Well, again, I'm Teacher Angel and I'm inviting you all to study with us here on camglish.com. Goodbye and have a nice day.